जब शरीर और आत्मा का मिलन होता है तब एक खूबसूरत नृत्य का सृजन होता है। और ऐसे कई सारे कथक नृत्यों का खूबसूरत सृजन कर चुकी कुशल नृत्यांगना आज की हमारी अतिथि है, जिनका नाम है डॉक्टर वृषाली शशांक दाबके। महज 6 साल की उम्र से अपने कथक नृत्य की सफर की शुरुआत करने वाली वृषाली जी ने कई सारे अवार्ड्स अपने नाम किए हैं, जिसमें से थोड़े अगर नाम लिए जाएं तो उत्तुंग साहित्य नृत्य निपुण पुरस्कार 2008, संस्कार भारती जो कि वर्ल्ड वाइड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसमें कोंकण रीजन की चीफ डांस फैकल्टी के तौर पर वो अपनी सेवा दे रही हैं। उनको आदर्श डोंबिवलीकर का पुरस्कार भी 2014 में मिल चुका है। इतना ही नहीं, थाने वैभव से उन्होंने वैभवी पुरस्कार भी हासिल किया है। तेजस्विनी पुरस्कार भी उन्होंने अपने नाम कर चुका है और ऐसे कई सारे पुरस्कार हैं। अखिल भारतीय गांधर्व महाविद्यालय से डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री हासिल करने वाली संगीताचार्य वृषाली जी ने अपने कथक के प्रेम को अपनी लेखनी द्वारा भी प्रदर्शित किया है। उनकी सबसे पहली मराठी किताब थी लय मंजरी, जिसके बारे में हम आगे चलकर बात करेंगे। इतना ही नहीं, वे कई सारे सप्लीमेंट्स और मैगजीन्स में कॉलम्स भी लिखती हैं और नृत्य योग, मेल डांसेस और डांस और साइकोलॉजी जैसे विषयों पर अपने विचार प्रदर्शित करती हैं। भारत में अलग अलग जगहों पर उन्होंने 20 से ज्यादा सोलो परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए हैं। इतना ही नहीं, उन्होंने कई सारे प्रोग्राम्स को कॉन्सेप्चुअलाइज, कोरियोग्राफ और अपना परफॉर्मेंस भी दिया हुआ है। उनके कुछ परफॉर्मेंसेस के बात करें तो पूल देशपांडे महाराष्ट्र एकेडमी द्वारा आयोजित रंग ऋतु महोत्सव या फिर 2019 में पंडित राम मराठे फेस्टिवल, मधुबन फेस्टिवल अंधेरी भवन और नेहरू सेंटर डॉक्टर्स कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी उन्होंने अपना परफॉर्मेंस दिया था। वे अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी थीम बेस्ड प्रोग्राम्स कर चुकी हैं, जिसमें से कुछ अगर कहें तो रस तारिणी, महाकवि कालिदास की नायिकाएं और मेघ द मैसेंजर। संगीताचार्य वृषाली दाबके इज द मैनेजमेंट हेड ऑफ 3 मंथली कॉन्सर्ट्स कॉल्ड नृत्य महफिल, जो कि उभरते हुए क्लासिकल डांसर्स को प्लेटफॉर्म देती है। इतना ही नहीं, डॉक्टर वृषाली प्रसिद्ध डांस रियलिटी शो एकापेक्षा एक और ऐसे कई कॉम्पिटिशन्स जो कि कल्चरल क्लब्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, जैसे रोटरी क्लब, सुमैया कॉलेज और संस्कार भारती में जूरी मेंबर के तौर पर सेवाएं दे चुकी हैं। वे अपने लेक्चर्स भी देती हैं और साथ साथ में वर्कशॉप्स भी कंडक्ट करती हैं। डॉक्टर वृषाली अपनी नृत्य एकेडमी भी चला रही हैं, जिसका नाम है श्री मुद्र कला निकेतन, जिसके तहत वे कीबोर्ड, कथक, तबला और गिटार की तालीम देती हैं। और इस कला निकेतन से उन्होंने लगभग 200 जितने स्टूडेंट्स को तैयार किया है। तदुपरांत वे प्रतिभा कला प्रतिष्ठान की अध्यक्षा भी हैं, जिसके तहत वे स्पेशली एबल्ड बच्चों की सहायता करती हैं। तो दोस्तों, आइए ऐसी प्रतिभाशाली शख्सियत से रूबरू होते हैं लेट्स टॉक विद हिताक्षी में। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ हिताक्षी और लेकर आई हूँ आपका पसंदीदा कार्यक्रम लेट्स टॉक विद हिताक्षी। दोस्तों, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि मैं हर बार एक ऐसी व्यक्ति, ऐसी शख्सियत को आपके सामने लाती हूँ जो कि हमारे लिए एक प्रेरणा बन के आती है। उनकी जर्नी, उनकी अचीवमेंट हमें कुछ नया सिखा कर जाती है। तो आज ऐसी ही एक व्यक्ति, ऐसी एक शख्सियत यहाँ पर मेरे साथ मौजूद है, संगीताचार्य डॉक्टर वृषाली शशांक दाबके जी। वृषाली जी, आपका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद कि आप यहाँ पर हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। वृषाली जी यानी कि एक आदर्श नृत्यांगना, वृषाली जी यानी कि एक आदर्श टीचर, एक शिक्षक और एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन कोरियोग्राफर भी, और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम थ्रू आउट द जर्नी हम उनसे जानेंगे। वृषाली जी, हमारी जो संस्कृति है उसमें हम पहले से मानते हैं कि अतिथि देवो भव, गुरु देवो भव। ठीक है, तो मैं ये पर्सनली मानती हूँ कि अगर हमें किसी शिष्य को जानना है तो शुरुआत उनके गुरु से करनी चाहिए। तो वृषाली जी, क्या आप अपने गुरु के बारे में, डॉक्टर मंजरी जी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
जरूर। मैं उम्र में 6 साल की थी, तब से मैं गुरुवर्या डॉक्टर सौ मंजरी देव जी इनके यहाँ कथक सीख रही हूँ। हमारे इसमें ऐसे कहा जाता है, संत कबीर जी का एक दोहा है, गुरु गोविंद दोऊ खड़े काको लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने जिन गोविंद दियो बताए। इसका मतलब है कि अगर मेरे सामने, किसी भक्त के सामने भगवान गोविंद और गुरु प्रकट हो जाए तो सबसे पहले किसको प्रणाम करना चाहिए? तो मैं ऐसा मानती हूँ, जो कि दोहे में लिखा हुआ है कि हमेशा पहले प्रणाम गुरु को होता है, क्योंकि गुरु के बदौलत ही हम उस तरह के सक्षम हो जाते हैं कि साक्षात भगवान हमें दर्शन दे दे। तो इसलिए गुरु का महत्व तो बहुत बहुत ही बड़ा है। और जैसे मैं क्लासिकल फील्ड से बिलोंग करती हूँ, तो हमारा पूरा लाइफ भी नॉट ओनली आर्ट बट लेकिन हमारा पूरा लाइफ ही गुरु के प्रभाव से भरा होता है। तो मेरी गुरुवर्य डॉक्टर सो मंजिरी देव खुद भी बहुत ही साधी सिंपल सी गुरु नहीं है, लेकिन व्यक्ति है। तो उनका काम ऐसा है कि बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ और बहुत बड़ा कार्य, ऐसा उनका कार्य है। तो उनके छाया में मैं पली बड़ी हूँ। उनके पास मेरी माँ मुझे लेके गई थी और मैं भाग्यशाली समझती हूँ कि उनके यहाँ पे मैं पहुँच गई सही समय में। नहीं तो काफी लोगों का सारा वक्त निकल जाता है, सारा पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाती है गुरु को ढूंढने में। हमें हमारी माता पिता के वजह से बहुत बचपन में ही ऐसे गुरु मिल गए। उसके पश्चात
That brings me to my next question. Actually, सबसे पहली बात मैं बोलना चाहूँ, जो आपने बोला कि अपने गुरु के बारे में कि she is down to earth and अपने जीवन में कार्य उन्होंने ऊंचे किए हैं। मैं यहाँ पर जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि ये पूरा आपने आत्मसात किया है अपने गुरु से। आपने ये लिया है, you are equally down to earth.
जो कुछ है वो उनका है, जो कुछ है ना वो उनका ही है।
That's a sign of a true artist. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं ना। 6 year is a very tender age. तो मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि क्या was there anybody from your family कि जो already कथक सीखते थे and you were influenced by them, और how that thought came, और rather दूसरा इसी से related दूसरा question करना चाहूंगी, from अंतर्मुखी to bahirmukhi pratibha, what was your child?
As a child, I was quite introvert girl, but I was always ready to perform anything, any short item also, any prayer also in front of people. So I used to come out only for that particular thing and used to go inside again. And that was something my mother noticed, and she thought that I'm comfortable expressing myself through dance more than any other things. एंड मेरी माँ को कथक बहुत पसंद था, क्योंकि मेरी माँ की माँ उषा ताई करमरकर उनके जमाने में, अंग्रेजों के काल के जमाने में कथक सीखा करती थी। तो लेकिन बट मुझे ये पता नहीं था जब तक मैं 5th स्टैंडर्ड में नहीं आई कि उनको कथक पता है। उसके पहले से मैं कथक सीख ही रही थी। लेकिन एक दिन मुझे वो पता चला कि वो कथक सीखती थी, और बाद में माँ से बात करने के बाद पता चला इट वाज हर ओन थिंकिंग आल्सो कि उसको आर्ट आना चाहिए। तो लेकिन शी वाज फोकस्ड इन हर चाइल्डहुड इन स्पोर्ट्स, शी चोज स्पोर्ट्स ओवर आर्ट, सो शी थॉट शी विल कंप्लीट हर ड्रीम इन मी।
Wow.
So she started
and you completed also, right? You made her dream come true through your deeds.
Not completed yet, it just started. After 25 years it just started.
Oh my God. So that is one thing. If I'm not wrong, your mother learned Kathak after seeing you, right? Yeah. It is usually the daughter follows the footstep of mother, but here it is something different. Tell me the whole thing, how it turned up.
It was like मैं क्लास में जाती थी, she used to wait for 1 hour outside.
Okay.
So लेकिन वो बातों बातों में कह जाती थी कि मैं पसंद करती हूँ कथक, बचपन में मुझे सीखना था। तो जब मैं नाच सीखती थी तो वो देखते समय मेरे गुरु ने वो नोटिस किया that she is enthusiastic. तो उन्होंने खुद ही उससे पूछा कि 1 घंटा बाहर को बैठोगे, उसके बजाय आप यहाँ पे सीखना चालू करो।
Okay.
But at the age of 35.
Age when she started? 35.
She was 35. And उस वक्त वो बहुत कम था। अभी आप मेरे खुद के क्लास में भी श्री मुद्रा कला निकेतन मेरा क्लास का नाम है, यहाँ पे काफी बच्चे ऐसे आते हैं जिनकी माएँ सीखती है, उनके साथ अलग बैच में। So nowadays it's a common thing to learn together. But at that time it was not. That time very unique. Yeah. Very unique.
It is really the guts and the new innovative thoughts are being in the family, right? It is a legacy of family.
Yeah. My maternal and paternal family both were very much interested in classical music.
Okay.
In both ways. Everybody in some other way was connected to classical music, but professionally no one was there.
Okay.
Professionally, I am the only person right now, but whatever it is from their genes.
Don't tell me you sing too.
Not totally, but I understand singing. I learned for
Learn,
one
right?
year.
You
I
learn.
learned it. Yeah,
And
yeah,
you've learned
1 year.
karate
It's
as
not a
well.
learning.
You've learned karate as well.
Yeah, I learned karate. That was one of my passion. But as I said, I always choose my dance over many things. I got admission for doctor in homeopath in
That's
Nasik.
what I was telling. कि I read your whole thing, and from a doctor choosing, choosing art over doctorate, in something that is really.
Actually, I chose my guru over my doctorate. That's in my heart.
What was the whole thing? Wasn't it your family that was telling कि नहीं नहीं think twice,
No,
नहीं
no,
नहीं
no, no.
doctor? No.
It
How
was
it shaped?
always,
Huh.
yeah, it was like I was very much enthusiastic about science field. I love science. I am
Right.
great into about science field. So I wanted to become a doctor, either homeopath or MBBS. And I
Okay.
wanted my admission on merit list without donation. That was my point.
Great.
I got it in Nasik actually. And we
Acha.
actually went to Nasik
You
for
got the
admission.
admission also from
Yeah,
through
yeah,
the.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh wow!
I got it. I went to Nasik with my mom and dad,
Okay.
and there
So
was a
to join
huge
the
filmy
college,
sale to pay the fees. To
oh,
pay the fees,
then what
and
was that moment that drive? Describe the whole moment. I want to know that moment. What driven you? Up to that level, you have already become a doctor, right? By picking a fee, and what told you? Which inner self told you? No. This is not the thing.
I was somehow not ready to compromise my dance time. I was not ready to compromise my dance time. And if you go for medical admission and medical process whole 4 years, it is difficult. It's not impossible. I have a lot of friends who are doctors and beautiful dancers. It's not impossible. But I had two things in my mind. एक तो गुरु मुझे बदलना नहीं था, and from Nasik to Thana and traveling back and forth, it was really difficult. And I was quite practical about that. कितना मैं सोचूं कि मैं 4 दिन आऊंगी महीने में, यहीं पे रह के 4 दिन
No,
सीखूंगी,
the
वापस
pressure
जाऊंगी.
of doctorate would have definitely no hampered the thing, you know.
या तो मेरे दिमाग में दो था. एक तो वहां से किसी और के पास सीखना पड़ता था.
Okay.
एंड आई टोल्ड ना, माय गुरु इज सो हम्बल. शी टोल्ड मी कि आप वहां पे जाके वहां पे सीखो. मतलब दैट इज नॉट जस्ट द
Sweet
थिंग.
of
टू
her.
थिंग्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. माय डांस इज माय लाइफ. दैट इज फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड माय गुरु is a part of that life. So I was attached to both the things, and I was not ready
I
to
think it is the
compromise.
warmth. It is the warmth and the connection that brings you. You know, okay, I don't want to disconnect, because art or anything, when you learn from your guru, the bonding matters.
एंड बॉन्डिंग एंड टाइम स्पेंड डियर. मैंने मेरे गुरु के साथ तब तक काफी वक्त गुजारा था, तो वो अटैचमेंट अलग होता है. तो वो छोड़ के बाद में किसी और को गुरु मानना ये डिफरेंट है. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन टीचर एंड गुरु. बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. एंड एज आई सेड, एट चाइल्डहुड आई वाज इंट्रोवर्ट, सो आई एम वेरी चूजी एंड वेरी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट द पीपल आई गेट कनेक्टेड विद.
So in that case, thank you for choosing us to talk.
और मैं भाग्यशाली हूँ कि वहाँ पे मेरे गुरु जो है डॉक्टर मंजिरी देव जी, उनका बेटा यानी इंटरनेशनल तबला प्लेयर तालमणि पंडित मुकुंद राज जी, और उनसे मैं अभी 15 साल सीख रही हूँ. तबले के माध्यम से कथक की समझ, लयकारी का मार्गदर्शन वो करते हैं.
Laikari, yes, I will come to that thing also. That particular, but
So I got two gurus in one place. That's why I now feel I took a right decision at that time.
but tell me that thing. At what age you realize? You know, 6 is very tender age. You cannot choose what you want to become in your life, right? But what was that age that you know felt the undetachable connection with your passion?
It was always, because I said I always compromised many things. I loved trekking, the military camps and karate and everything. I skipped it because what I was thinking, अगर karate करूँगी तो मेरी body stiff हो जाएगी and that will affect my dance. So I cut it out. There was a huge scene. Actually, two karate sir from military background, they come at our place. They convinced my mom that she is more good for karate, not dancing. And my mother was laughing because she was knowing ये बचपन से डांस ही करते हैं. So she was laughing at that. तो मैंने वो छोड़ दिया. Then I thought to go for some artwork, like fine arts. I was
Okay.
not that good, but I was not bad also.
Okay.
It is like when you are in one stream of fine arts, na, you get a
Right.
good sense of other fine arts.
True.
So
True.
I thought I will give that elementary exam in 10th.
Okay.
So I got a wake-up call of elementary at the prelim of 10th. So in
Okay.
3 months, I tried and hurried for that elementary exam. I completed it somehow, and suddenly I thought I don't want to go ahead with the intermediate exam because after that I have to go to JJ School of Art. Then till that I got many informations regarding their careers and their time spending. Lot of work, hard work.
Okay.
And फिर मैंने सोचा वो नहीं हो पाएगा दोनों साथ में. So I left that.
So it was
to-
always dance and something. It is never something
yeah.
dance.
Yeah,
that-
always.
So that defines your life priority. कि कभी कभी हम confuse हो जाते हैं कि this plus this कैसे चलता है, but what is plus उसके बाद में क्या होता है, that matters कि वो plus के बाद में है, पहले तो कुछ और ही है. And I think for you it was dance plus anything.
Yeah, always. I said I wanted to do doctorate and everything later, but I choose by myself that I will focus totally on dance. I did BSc from RUIA for zoology. Then
Yeah,
I
same
was
pinch for that. I have not done it from RUIA. I have done it from MS University, but it is BSc for
Oh.
Zoo. So it was
Wonderful.
destined to connect.
I use all the scientific facts of zoology and human body while teaching dance. I use my science knowledge in it.
Helping you, when you must be giving explanation as a teacher.
Yeah.
Science
It
also
helps.
comes there.
It helps a lot. Your knowledge never goes wasted. You can connect anything with Kathak. Kathak itself is a different dance form. And
Yeah.
we call it as Kathak is a Sarva Samaveshak.
That's what I was
Call that
coming to.
word.
Why you call it as Sarva Samavesh? Sarva Samavesh, matlab it has everything in it. Nritya.
Yeah.
Right? So
It-
can you just
it
tell
is
me,
not-
explain a little bit?
It is not like that. Everything is there in it. I'm saying everything can get connected to it.
Okay.
You take maths, there is a maths
Okay.
in Kathak. Like we when calculate Bandish and Laikari, you should know tables also. Start from basic. You have
Okay.
to know the tables properly. When it comes to geometry, all the spins, all the circles, all the sense of your Rangamancha, where to move, in what direction to move, everything depends on geometry technically also. So there is a geometry. Kathak, as I say, that quite easy to understand to normal human beings. Normal in the sense, common human beings. Sorry for using normal human beings. It's a common human beings I'm calling. सबको ये समझ सकते हैं कि हम क्या एक्सप्रेशन करें. Like for example, if I want to show that, oh no, what to do, what I can do, or I have an idea, I can do all this stuff. There is not that strong rigidity of presentation of Kathak. It is Shastra-baddha. It's totally into the frame of Shastra, but still have a liberty to make others to understand it faster. So for Kathak is related to day-to-day life. That's why I say that.
Great explanation actually.
Yeah.
It is actually indeed a Sarva Samavesh.
Samavesh. For that, you have to know the good literature, good stories, Pauranik Katha, Puran,
Yes, because that's
stories.
That's all you express. I have seen
Yeah.
some of your dances. I must say, first of all, your face is very much expressive. I don't dance, but I love to see people dancing. And the first thing that attracts me in your dance was your face expressions. I loved it. Then follows the body movement and all, but the face expressions where you catch hold of it. So was there anything? What is the hint of this beautiful expression on your face?
It's not something I purposely do it now. I would say now, after 25 years, not something which I purposely do. It comes from inside because I enjoy it a lot. When I'm on stage, I'm not mother, I'm not wife. I'm just a dancer. I just enjoy it on stage. I have a lot of burden before going it, but it's for every artist ultimately. लेकिन मैं जाती हूँ स्टेज पे ना, तो it's something which comes from inside. Now,
Okay.
right now, when I teach my students, I have to tell them, keep smiling, keep smiling. Sometimes it becomes artificial also, but that's fine. That's fine. You have to train your mind to enjoy dance and express it. So that's how it comes. And when your soul is connected to your passion and your art, it comes automatically. Now, I
That
would say.
brings me to another question, and that is, what was your first stage experience? So, like the very first
Oh,
time when you performed on stage.
I would like to share that experience. Sometimes, when your first stage experience is something which can demoralize you,
Oh,
but you can think about it in a positive way, then surely you can go on. You should be confident about yourself that you can move ahead now. I got my first performance when I was in, I guess, second year,
okay.
and it was in Vashi in some Tamil Sangha. Wonderful people, and all were like sitting like this because they are very keen about likaris, all South Indian people.
Yeah,
So yeah, they have a lot of good sense about the art, especially dance and
music and
likaris
that.
and music.
Huh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is something they have to learn from their childhood compulsory, whether you do career or not.
No.
It should be there with us also now. But they were like sitting like this, and all people was waiting for next Bharatanatyam and Odissi dance. I guess Odissi or Kuchipudi. I don't remember exactly right now. And I was the only one who got 15 minutes. They called me for 15 minutes to
Okay.
show Kathak art. उनको अलग दिखाने के लिए कि हमेशा ही
अच्छा.
हम लोग भरतनाट्यम कुचिपुड़ी करते हैं, तो अलग दिखाने के लिए आप आ जाओ करके. And I went to that hall. Everybody was very serious, very smiley faces, but quite serious.
In the
And I entered a stage. और हमें कैसे एक फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस से कुछ अलग अपेक्षा होती है
हाँ.
कि we will get a claps
Lord and
and
that move on the stage.
yeah, yeah.
आज तो मुझे सब कुछ दिखाना है करके whatever I
बस या यू आर ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. तो वो कैसे मैंने एकदम जम के एंट्री मारी. हम लोग उठान बोलते हैं कथक में, जिसमें स्टार्ट एंट्री विंग से करते हैं. तो हमेशा क्या होता है, वो अच्छा हो जाए क्लैप्स मिलते हैं. So
अच्छा.
I entered that, I did my piece, and then I did many chakkars. Very speedy chakkars. Dha aata hai, dha aata hai, dha aata hai, dha aata hai, dha aata hai. I was spinning like, and I was waiting when I'm going to get claps for my taking swings, and nobody is clapping. And suddenly that organizer who was attached to me, she understood it somehow.
Okay.
That ये कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है.
Confusion
Not by
है.
my face, हाँ, not by my face, but she was seeing कि ये बहुत एक्सप्लेन कर रही है, ये बहुत एनर्जी लगा के कर रही है, तब तक बहुत ब्यूटीफुली कर रही है, and nobody is reacting in the audience. So
Right.
what happened is, from next time, whenever she felt that I did something, she used to turn to the audience and do like this, means please clap, and then again back to me.
Okay.
And that
She
was,
used to inspire the audience by clap करो.
here you should clap for her to encourage her. And there was not something that they want to discourage me. I understood that quite later. They were very keen about the lay I was doing.
Okay.
It was quite a good lekare taught by my guru. So they were, and it was a rupak tal, 7-beat tal. So itself is a very unique tal and quite
It is
difficult.
it is
to
unique,
present.
right?
Yeah. So they were more keen about the lay I'm catching,
Okay.
about my footwork. So they were totally engrossed in the performance instead of expressing their joy. So, but that was very hilarious experience, but quite teaching experience. I learned a lot from my first step only.
Age at that time.
I don't know, second year, I guess. I was in second year.
You have achieved a lot. Matlab, you've been as a jury, you've been the conducting workshops at lot many places, and you're doing a lot many things according to what drives you to, what is your ultimate goal? Because you have already done your BA, MA in your Kathak, achieved matlab, doctorate. That is not something very easy. Not everybody goes for it. Matlab, visharad ho gaya to ho gaya. Then we'll open our classes and we'll do this thing. That is the general mentality. So what is your driving point? What drives you to this much level?
Right now, to be frank, I have not got that level, the way people feel about me. And because that is what my gurus do and my mothers do. They are always keeping some steps for me to climb. When
Okay.
I come to that place, then again they create some place. Then again
Wow.
I run to behind it. Like I said, my mother started learning Kathak with me. So we did Visharat together, we did Alankar together, we did MA Kathak from Tilak Maharashtra together, and PhD rather Sangitacharya, I would say it's Sangitacharya equals PhD of
Okay.
Gandharva Mahavidyalaya
Gandharva,
Institute.
right, right.
Yeah, and that is the first thing which I completed first.
Okay.
Otherwise, it was also planned to complete it together, but because of her job and everything, she was assistant commissioner. She just retired
Wow.
in May. Yeah, so
Such a great
that
mother.
was
No wonder you are such
yeah,
a
yeah.
beautiful person. It is always coming in as a
Always, always, always. And my guru, she is excellent person, way far, and she wrote many books. She created many ballads. So they have kept a good standard and good footsteps for me to climb. तो मैं आराम से बैठूं तब तक मेरी माँ और मेरे गुरु कुछ ऐसा करके रखते हैं, अरे यार आई वांट टू डू दैट आल्सो, देन आई रन बिहाइंड दैट टू and I keep going. And I myself like to study a lot. I'm quite studious person. मुझे पढ़ाई पसंद है. It's my pastime also.
Okay.
मैं खुद को praise नहीं कर रही हूँ, but
Huh.
that is really something which I like to
So
do.
I got my answer of second question also. Okay, what do you do in your free time? So I got my answer that you study in your pastime.
I like watching movies alone. I watch
Huh?
movies at home, not in theaters, but I watch movies.
You've even attended the acting workshops and all also.
Few workshops in childhood
Never
from
got
famous.
never got the because you're definitely a beautiful and expressive persona. You never got any offers to join it and all.
I got few offers, but I was not that much positive about going toward that side. Only because I like to express myself with facial expression, with no words. I'm more comfortable with that. I did acting in few things. Right now in Geet Ramayan, it was done by Mr. Aditya Bivalkar. It was his concept. Without words, expressing anything else is very very difficult. Very difficult. शब्दा वाचून कळले सारे शब्दांच्या पलीकडे. That line is beautiful, but to
Yeah.
enact like that, it's very difficult. So in Kathak, the subject which I took for my Sangitacharya, it was Gata Bhav, a
Okay.
particular type of Kathak presentation, very unique style, जिसमें एक कथा लेके आर्टिस्ट सभी पात्र को प्रस्तुत करते हैं. बट इट्स वर्तमान स्वरूप उसका ऐसे है कि विदाउट वर्ड्स यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग. मीन्स नॉट ओनली बाय योरसेल्फ बट बाय योर अकम्पनिस्ट ऑल्सो.
भाव भंगिमा जिसको बोलते हैं.
हाँ, तो बाजू वाले भी कोई नैरेट नहीं करेंगे, अकम्पनिस्ट भी रहेंगे, so there will not be a narrator, कोई निवेदक नहीं रहेगा. So you have to enact whole story without taking any help of
And
songs or words.
that is the beauty of this particular art. I always enjoy. There is always as an audience, what I enjoy is what is coming to me through the expression, and I decode those things, and that keeps me engaged, and that helps me to evaluate a kalakar also. How deep they are.
Right. See, in one of the Vedas it is written कि अगर एक स्टूडेंट आता है अपने गुरु को पूछता है कि मुझे नृत्य सीखना है, तो गुरु बोलते हैं जाके चित्रकारी सीखो. तो वो चित्रकार के गुरु के पास जाता है. तो वो बोलते हैं आप थोड़ा कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीख लो. तो इंस्ट्रूमेंट वाले के पास जाता है. वहां से पूछेंगे तो वो वापस बोलते हैं नृत्य सीख के आओ. So all Lalita Kalas are interconnected to each other. And Acharya Bharat Muni ji, who has written Natya Shastra, we call it as a Pancham Ved. Right. So it is based on Natya. It's based on Natya. So being expressive और अभिनय करना, नाटक का सेंस होना, ये डांसर को आता ही है after you spend some years in that.
This many years, right?
But still acting with the words and without talle, and acting without words with the base of talle, quite different.
Very different.
But they are connected.
So coming to next question with all these things, अब एक अलग दुनिया में जाता है. ऐसी नॉर्मल सी दुनिया है जिसमें आप एक माँ भी हैं, आप एक पत्नी भी हैं, and you are an artist who wants to devote her life to her morals, her dream. right? How this balancing happens, because आपको मैंने देखा है, आप you go everywhere to perform and you are being
Yeah.
invited to perform. तो आप
Yeah.
किस तरह से ये पूरी चीजें मैनेज करती हैं, house, particularly mother and your career, because ये आजकल hot topic बना हुआ है कि वरना
Yeah.
go out. You know, she compromised a lot at home. That is not the case, and I want to know it from you.
See, there is always a compromising things,
Yeah.
compromising factors, I would say, but you have to keep priorities. Then
Right.
it becomes easy.
Yeah.
Sometimes emotional balance for your family members is necessary. Then you have to keep things aside. And sometimes you have to make them understand whether right now you don't wish to or you wish to. I have to do this, my work. So that is where you have to keep changing your priorities so that you can make a balance out of it. And ultimately, it's a teamwork. I have seen my mother doing many works at a time. I have seen many dancers. I was quite क्या बोलते हैं, मैं प्रभाव में थी काफी लोगों से जो बहुत सारी चीजें सब बैलेंस करके करते थे. सो आई ऑलवेज यूज टू स्टडी हाउ दे यूज टू बैलेंस. So it's about observation, it's about the teamwork and keeping respect of love you are getting from your family.
Actually, the support,
Sometimes,
even you, at times your kid teaches you, or your the maturity, you know, that surprises us. अरे कितने बड़े हो गए क्या?
yeah, true. And it is something which I got from my both families. I got a good support from my mom's family and here also in my sasural. I don't call it as a sasural because it's a whole teamwork, including my mom-in-law, father-in-law, now my son. He is learning tabla for last 7 years.
Wow.
So he understands the importance, and somehow everything comes when you are in the right path. To be frank, you
पूरी
should be
किसी
grateful.
चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसको
सही बात है, सही बात. And I said, na, you have to compromise. You have to adjust a lot of things.
Right.
When you get everything at right place, there
Yeah.
is a lot of struggle between your emotional balance then.
Right.
So you have to fight back with that and
Yeah,
be
the
happy about
mother's
what you are
emotions
getting.
are more catchy when
Yeah.
you first time
Yeah, yeah.
leave your kid and go. I
I
think
can't forget that time. I can't forget when I started my class and he was standing in window and crying. He was quite a baby. Actually, my husband's support is a lot of more strength for me to do next career after my marriage. And he's a businessman. We have a shop called Waves Musical in Thane. So that shop is about the instruments. So he was dealing with all the artists for last many years.
so
So
he
for him to
God gave him the hint that what is going to come in your life.
I would rather say it was not a hint. That was something he was knowing that I know how to handle an artist.
Artist.
So
Okay.
he understand me quite very well, where I can go upset as an artist, where
Yeah.
I can manage the things. So he
Right.
pushed me for things, and yeah. So it was quite something which we decided togetherly, and we are doing togetherly. It's
Come,
not just that.
as you said, there are always ups and downs in any artist
Right.
career.
Yeah.
So, would you like to share any up or down moment in your career where you felt, yeah, no, this is, I'm missing on something or I'm losing on something, and then how you bounced back?
I never missed my dance. I never lost my dance touch somehow. I told na, I got grateful things. I got great people in my life.
Right.
As my all elder people always advise me कि बेटा सब अच्छा मिला है, उसको मराठी में बोलते हो त्याला टिकव. You got everything good,
अभी
but
संभाल
you
के
have
रखो.
to put efforts to keep it safe.
ठीक.
तो उसके लिए जो जो करना है तो I would do it. And I told na, I have a center point is my dance, so I will do many things and I will compromise anything if that comes for dance.
Okay.
So it's good in a way. I told na, I got everything balanced and at the right time, at the right place, and for that I am ready to sacrifice many things because I don't see it as a sacrifice. It's a work.
Yes, sir. And tell me about that moment when you met Pandit Birju Maharaj. You have met many personalities in your journey, Archana ji, Archana Joglekar ji. But what was that? I mean, it must be a life-changing, or, you know, the dream come true moment for you. I mean, tell me that moment.
Wonderful moments, I would say. I have met a lot of great gurus. And what I understood through this, the meetings and the sessions and the conversation with these great masters, that जितने बड़े हो जाते हो या ये जो लोग जिनको हम बहुत पूछते हैं उतने वो डाउन टू अर्थ है. What we feel from outside about them कि भाई कैसे उनसे बात कर सके, whether he will reply it or not, या ये हमसे बात करेंगे भी, अदरवाइज हम कैसे देखेंगे ये तो किसी और की शिष्या है या ये कौन बच्ची है, ऐसे देखेंगे क्या. All this comes in people's mind when they see a master. बट टेक्निकली जो जितना बड़ा हो चुका है, जो those are true artists and true gurus and masters, they are
Well
most
said.
down to earth. They are most down to earth,
Because
and they
they
just
know
make
what
you
they're
easy.
artists. Yeah.
Yeah, they just make you easy to talk with them. Instead of we getting easy, they make you easy and comfortable. That yeah, you can say what you want to share. You can ask me few questions. I would like to share that experience. मेरी गुरु ने उनसे बात की कि मेरी बच्ची एक संगीताचार्य करी है, गदभाव के ऊपर करी है. तो मेरे एक दोस्त है सुनील शंकराजी, उनसे मैंने बात की जो कि महाराज जी से काफी परिचित है. तो वो सब हमारा मीटिंग सब हो गया, डिसाइड हो गया, और मैं और मेरी माँ हम लोग पहुंच गए मुंबई के उनके होटल में, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम ही वाज हैविंग वर्कशॉप्स इन आई गेस नेहरू सेंटर. तो वो खत्म करके आने के बाद दे टोल्ड मी टू हैव 15 मिनट्स इंटरव्यू ओनली. सो यू बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट योर क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज अभी हाँ ही इज अ ग्रेट पीपल ना, उनका 15-15 मिनट का भी कैलकुलेशन रहता है फुल डे का. And as he was taking workshop continuously for 4 days, and still he gave me time, it was an honor for me. So I was in very pressure कि अभी 15 मिनट में एक तो उनको देखने में ही टाइम जाता है. I have attended his workshops actually, so that was easy point for me at that place. बट कॉन्वर्सेशन करने के लिए तो बड़े लोगों से थोड़ा डर तो लगता ही है किसी को. तो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कैसे होगा कैसे होगा. तो हमको टाइम मिल गया, हम ऊपर गए उनके रूम में आफ्टर द कैम एंड रिलैक्स. एंड क्या पूछना है बताइए, ऐसे पूछा आप क्या है किसके पास है, वो सब हो गया. और वी स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द गद भाव एंड द होल इंटरव्यू वेंट फॉर 1.5 hours. Instead of 15 minutes,
15 minutes से 1.5 hours.
He gave me 1.5 hours. And by God grace and हमारे गुरु के आशीर्वाद से, and my mother was with me, and as I said, it was unique thing at that time when she started. So he remembered कि एक माँ और बेटी attended our workshop and met for one show.
That's so
Saswati Didi was also there. She also gave interview.
Oh.
So 1.5 घंटा चला वो पूरा संगीताचार्य के लिए जो मुझे क्वेश्चंस थे. What I was telling, they are so humble and they people are so down to earth and they just make you comfortable कि कोई पढ़ाई कर रहा है ना, it's about the art,
knowledge, knowledge
love
of
for art, and respect for the knowledge some person is taking, whether it's a child or a big person, elder person. तो what at that age also they see कि ये पढ़ाई करना चाहती है, कथक के लिए कुछ काम करना चाहती है, then I should give a time.
Right.
So
that's what right person. The channelizing of knowledge to a right person. That was the motto.
Yeah. I don't know whether it's a right person, but
we know. But we as an audience know.
आशीर्वाद मिल गया. We got आशीर्वाद or blessings of him.
You will get many more actually.
Thank you.
And with that I come to that you run two things, right? One is the charitable organization Pratibha Kala Pratishthan, right?
Pratishthan, yeah.
And another is your own dance classes that you earlier mentioned कि Shri Mudra Kala
Shri Mudra Kala Niti.
तो आपके charitable trust के बारे में आप कुछ बताएं, and do let us know where to contact also, not only me, to the people who are viewing, so that if they want to come forward they can.
Yeah, I have a class Shri Mudra Kala Niti which teaches Kathak, guitar, keyboard and tabla also. We have a staff member, grade teachers. मेरे ये क्लास को अभी 11 साल हो रहे हैं कंप्लीट करके, बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड माई क्लास क्वाइट लेटर बिकॉज आई वॉज फोकस इन माई सोलो परफॉर्मेंस मोड. तो मैंने क्लास चालू करने के बाद 2-3 साल के बाद ऐसे सोचा कि अगर मैं कुछ भी चीज श्री मुद्रा से करूं तो ऑटोमेटिकली गेट रिलेट्स टू कथक और डांस ओनली, बट आई विश टू डू लॉट ऑफ वर्क in other things also. in other art forms to encourage or to get connected with other artists also. So in that thought, I started Pratibha Kala Pratishthan in the name of my mom-in-law. Her name is
Acha.
Pratibha.
Okay,
Huh.
okay.
So I started that charitable trust. We both together thought it would be a good gesture to do some projects over that charitable trust.
What
As
do
he was
you do? Which activities do you conduct under this Pratibha Kala Charitable Trust?
right now we have started last 5 years to give two awards. One is Yuva Ratna Puraskar and one is Chaitanya Puraskar. Chaitanya Puraskar is given to a respected guru who has uh, given all their life for the art and to teach students devotedly and passionately and making better world or making better generation. And they
Generation
have
is the right word. Yeah, very right.
yeah, and they have done a lot of work without any financially expectation out of that. That is my criteria. That is on the name of my mother's name, Ushatai Karmarkar ji, and
Okay.
other is Yuva Ratna Puraskar. That is in the name of my dad's mother, Kusumtai Koletkar, because I was always inspired by both my grandmas because they are exceptional. Someday I will share that too about them.
Definitely
Because
would love to
very
listen.
unique. People will always understand why few things people like about me. It's not about me. It's about what I have through their genes. So उनके नाम से मैंने युवा रत्न to the young artist who is
Okay.
pursuing career very passionately. And important criteria for Yuva Ratna is who is Guru Nishtha student, Guru Nishtha Shishya. I specifically choose people who are very much dedicated to their guru and not just for career but actually for their good. So that is for Yuva Ratna Puraskar. Also, I have conducted some Rangoli workshop. I have wonderful students who are from JJ School of Arts, and तो उनके लिए मैंने रंगोली का वर्कशॉप और रंगोली के एक एग्जीबिशन रखा था. Then I have taught few blind students. I have taught few dumb and deaf students, few special childs. I got a lot of joy to do some experiments and to learn from them and to know the reality of the life because I have been in very safe kind of world. I like to see what others face and why I should be grateful to my life. So I do that work from Pratibha Kala Pratishthan also.
Such a nice
Lot more.
thought. That's such a nice thought, actually. Love to hear all those things. And it is almost how many students you have been training now under your Kala Academy?
Right now, I have only three branches in Dombivli only. Because as I said, I focused in my solo performance also.
Yeah.
So at times I have to go out, and it's always good and feels good to teach by yourself instead of assistant. But luckily, I have got wonderful assistant when I'm not there. They handle my class very honestly and very loyally and very dedicatedly. But so I have kept only three branches. I'm not planning to increase it right now, but right now 200 almost students are learning, and it's an ongoing process ultimately. And luckily, right now in this lockdown also, I was not sure whether everybody will be able to attend the classes regularly on online basis, and the impact of guru when it is in one-to-one conversation is different and when it is on online is different. That is what everybody said, but gladly that is not my experience. My girls are practicing daily for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Some are practicing. Yeah, three of my girls got live shows without any my interference or without giving any introduction to them to someone else.
That's so
So,
proud moment. So
yeah.
as a shishya, right? The journey from a person from shishya to guru. Now, what different mindset it requires?
I don't call myself as a guru. I'm always a shishya, and that is my mindset. If I am a good shishya, I will teach good because
Right.
ultimately, if I am teaching not good, my gurus then will go wrong. others will say कि आपकी गुरु ने अच्छी शिक्षा नहीं दी है because I am not teaching my students good. So being a shishya is a huge responsibility if you fail.
Yeah.
That depends on you. So I feel myself as a student always, and that's why my mindset is fixed कि whatever I do, I should not disturb my name of my guru at both gurus
What
at
are the
any cost.
basic qualities you teach as an artist to your children?
See, two things about classical dance. I always like, people ask me why classical dance. There is one most important thing. If you loyally and dedicatedly do your art, the respect you get from people is lot of different respect than any other forms you get. I am fond of that respect, and it's not your respect, it's a respect for art, it's a respect for the knowledge you have, and it's a respect. Ultimately आपके गुरु का नाम आपके साथ बढ़ जाता है ना, so that is something you take with you till your end. तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I teach my student to be good student, good human being, and connect all your dance with your day-to-day life also, and try to take positive energy out of it and use it in your academic life. I told na, I connect everything togetherly. That's how my mind works.
But this is how the true learning comes off. Yeah, everything. Even a dance is a representation of what you live and what you think.
To be frank, people take courses for personality development, and boosting your confidence and everything, having manners and everything, and you get everything in Kathak. If you are trained properly, you get everything in Kathak. My first step to introduce for my student is to see themselves in mirror and tell themselves that they love themselves. So it is what I have noticed is कि बड़े जो बच्चियां हैं या बड़े औरतें हैं, उनको थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है खुद को कहने में I love you कहना. It sounds sometimes crazy, but it's a huge thing to do.
It might be difficult for me also. मैं आज try करूँगी.
Yeah. If you cannot love yourself, people won't love you. It's a common thing. You should feel proud about what you have and be humble to get new knowledge.
You also are into writing books, right? You have written some of the articles related to dance, or a book, Laya Manjari.
Yeah, Laya Manjari.
Can you tell something about it?
Laya Manjari is the book which I wrote, inspired by my guru, because she has written many books. So I was always wishing to write a book. Ultimately, when you follow the footsteps of your gurus and mothers, you always have those aims also in your mind.
Of course.
But I got opportunity when Gandharva Mahavidyalaya syllabus changed. They added to know life histories of many artists.
Okay.
So it was very difficult for people to find it from many places.
Okay.
So I collected 100 life histories of 100 artists, and I made them short in an answer type of way. Like if you have a guide format of academics, I wrote this book in guide format way.
Okay.
To the point.
Okay. And handbook kind of thing for everyone.
Yeah, and in that I collaborated syllabus till 5th exam of Kathak, and I attached one CD in which they have all the audios which will help them to complete the 5th year syllabus. All the vandanas, all the stories.
How much time it took? The whole research, how much time it took?
I guess 8-9 months. As I said, I'm studious person. I always wrote a lot of answers in my book. So for studying my MA, I used to write a lot, 14 hours I used to write. So I was having a lot of answers ready as such at that time.
Oh, right.
So I got those 100 histories. That time was 8 months. I need to collect those from many people, and then I collaborated with the syllabus. Again, that is Manjari is my guru's name, so I put it with Laya Manjari.
I was coming to that. कि यहाँ पर भी you have dedicated this in a different way to your guru only, and that's a true shikshya. And with that, we are coming to.
I feel proud when people say, "ये देखो ये Dr. Manjari Dev जी की शिष्या जा रही है."
And with that, before we close, actually I don't feel like closing. There is a lot more to talk. Person who have done so many things in life. But we come to end, and before that, I want you to give few words to whoever is watching you.
What I can say, नृत्य एक ऐसी चीज है which helps you to express all your inner emotions,
Yeah.
and without telling it to others, because you only know what right now you are expressing, whether it is outside or inside, and still you get opening for your emotions, which helps a lot to fight with daily crisis, emotional crisis, fights, and whatever. When your moral goes down, you should always take help of nritya, and specifically classical nritya. Classical dance gives you posture, gives you manners, gives you good discipline in your life, makes you dedicated person towards some energy that is your guru. Because of that you become humble. It's a process. I am not saying that it will start immediately in 5 years, 10 years. Sometimes it takes 15 years, and it is something which gives you right track and makes your life better and full of life. You are never dull. As you can observe, many of the artists at the age of 60 also they look like a 30 or 40, because from inside artist is always like a child, because child is the most creative person on the earth. Before 10 years those are the most creative persons. They are a real artist, would say. And we keep that childlike thinking in our mind for creativity. And ultimately at 80 also, many dancers you can see they are so much with energy, a great aura and everything. They are very joyful, and to become a joyful you should learn dance at least for some time or some years and feel it.
Keep expressing yourself through this
Yeah, yeah.
beautiful medium. That's
Yeah,
what is
yes.
the
Dance is life. For us, dance is life. It's not a part of life. If you think in that way, everything becomes easy for you.
easy. So sweet. And that was really wonderful to talk to you, Dr. Rushali ji.
You,
And
thank you.
once again, I would love to thank you thousands time कि आप अग्री किए कि आप हमसे मिले, हमसे इतनी प्यारी बातचीत करी, एंड
Thank you,
आपके
Hitakshi.
जीवन से बहुत सारी चीजें हमें या मेरे साथ जो देखने वाले हैं, जो ये चैनल देखते हैं, उनको भी बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिलेंगी. So thank you for being here with me once again.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो जिंदगी में, तो उसके आगे पीछे सारी चीज होती है, लेकिन सेंटर पॉइंट जो होता है, दैट इज योर विश, योर मोटो. अगर किसी चीज को पाना है तो इतनी शिद्दत से आपको उस चीज से प्यार करना पड़ेगा. ये हम सीखते हैं डॉक्टर वृषाली जी से. तो इसी साथ मैं हिताक्षी और वृषाली जी आपसे विदा लेते हैं. फिर मिलेंगे लेट्स टॉक विद हिताक्षी में.